Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Welcome back to maths class. So as you all know, this week your exams are there, first unit test are there. So in this video we are going to revise first and second chapter. So tick the big animal. So you know which animal is big? Yes, the elephant is big. Tick the child on the top. You know this is the top, this is the bottom. Yes, so you have to tick here. Tick the object under the table. This is above the table, this is under the table. So you have to tick. Turn the page. Circle the car near the house. So this is the far away and this is the near. So you have to circle this. See the tree below. Draw any fruit on the tree and a ball under the tree. So you have to draw the any fruit on the tree. On बोले तो झाड़ के ऊपर आपको कोई भी fruits draw करना है. And a ball under the tree. So ball उसके अंडर आप ड्रॉ करोगे. Okay. Now see, tick the birds above the tree. Draw a smiley on the animals below the monkey. So you have to tick the birds above, जो झाड़ के ऊपर है, that you have to tick. Draw the smiley on the animals below the monkey. So जो monkey के नीचे है, आपको वो animal को smiley draw करना है. Then question number 7. Count and write the number of birds sitting on the branch on the tree in this picture. So you can see 2 birds are there. So you have to write 2. Here only 1 bird is there. Turn the page. Match the number with their number names. Now the important thing is that you have to learn the number names and you should have the practice of number names. Okay. So numbers 1 to 50. Number names you have to learn 1 to 50. So like this, here numbers are given and here number names are given. You know 3. Where is 3? On C 3 is there. So like this you have to match it. Then write the number names of the given number. Number names means what? You have to write in words to the given numbers. So first of all you have to practice for this. Okay, so learn thoroughly and do the practice of number names. Then draw the following shapes. So you have to draw, okay, square, rectangle, circle and triangle. So do the practice of drawing these square, rectangle, circle and triangle. Then tick the correct option. Which picture shows 5 books? Okay, so first we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7, not 5. So cross it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you have to tick here. Same for this. Which picture shows 4 chocolate? Here it shows 5 chocolate. That's why we have ticked to this for 4 chocolates. Then you can see here MCQ questions. Okay, MCQ questions you are going to be asked in the form of mental maths. Okay, 5 marks for mental maths and 5 marks for oral. In oral I am going to ask you table of 2 and MCQ questions in the form of mental maths. How many balls are there in the picture? You have to count and tick. Okay. The number names of 2 is 2. The number name of 9 is. Okay. In your exam no options will be there. Okay. Only mental maths is there. Questions will be like this only, but you will not get the options. The number of for 5 is, which one of the following is a triangle? Okay. No, you don't have to see to the applications, objective, nothing, only your study part. Now the revision of chapter number 2, numbers from 10 to 50. Circle the number for each number name. Here number names is given to you and here options are given. You have to circle the correct number. Then write the number names of the following numbers. Here numbers are given. You have to write the number names. Then question number 3. Recall the counting order and write the missing numbers. Counting order means sequence में एक के बाद एक. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Like this. Now write the numbers by counting backward. Backward means पीछे से, उल्टा. Just like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, so on. Okay. Backward means पीछे से उल्टा गिनना है एंड काउंटिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स आपको सीक्वेंस में एक के बाद एक करना है. नाउ you can see help Froggy to jump down the steps by writing the numbers. Simply you have to read the number name and write the numbers. Then question number 6 here. Match the number with their number names. 21, 29 is there. So where is 29? Here on the C. So you have to write here C. Then 45. Where is 45? 45 is on F. So like this you have to solve. Then turn the page. Count and write the number of objects with their number names. Okay. So you have to first count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You have to write the number and then write its number names. For example, this mangoes are 20. So you have to write the number name of 20. Then join the dots in counting order from 1 to 20 to complete the picture. Simply counting order में आपको joint करना है and you have to color it. Help the animal to reach their home by completing the number sequence. Sequence अभी आपको यहाँ पर first you have to see 32, 33 मतलब ये काउंटिंग ऑर्डर में है. देन 28, 27 ये कौन सा है? बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में है. 43, 42 दिस ऑल्सो बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट सी द नंबर, द ऑर्डर इन विच द नंबर इज गिवन फर्स्ट, फिर अकॉर्डिंगली आपको आगे का करना है. देन सेम MCQ क्वेश्चंस आर देयर इन दिस ऑल्सो. The number name of 13 is. सो एज आई सेड बिफोर ओनली, क्या MCQ क्वेश्चंस आपको मेंटल मैथ्स के तौर पर आएंगे. मेंटल मैथ्स में सेम क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे बट यू विल नॉट गेट द ऑप्शंस. ओके, एंड 5 marks फॉर tables, and I am going to ask your tables just like dodging. Dodging means आपको बीच में से कोई भी टेबल पूछा जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 5 2 9 2 6 like this way. So you have to learn it thoroughly. Now I'll show you the easy method. Now you have to learn number names from 1 to 50. Okay, so 1 to 50 learn करना, अरे बाप रे, it's too much. Okay, so how you're going to learn 1 to 20? You know number names 1 to 20. So after 20 how you're going to write? Suppose you have to write 21, है ना. आपको 1 से 20 तक तो आपको लर्न करना ही पड़ेगा. 21 कैसा लिखोगे आप? 21. आप प्रोनाउंस कैसा कर रहे हो? प्रोनाउंसिएशन पर देखो. 21. सो फर्स्ट राइट 21. So write 1. Then same 22. How much? 22. So like this 22. Same 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. आपको 20 20 20 ही लिखना है. 1 2 3 जो भी आएगा उसके आगे लिखना है. देन यू हैव टू लर्न द स्पेलिंग ऑफ 30. 10 20 30 40 and 50. Okay, then now 30, this is the spelling of 30. Now this is 31. So what you have to do? 31. So 31 means अगर आप एक स्पेलिंग लर्न कर रहे हो तो उसमें 9 आपके कवर हो जाएंगे. जैसे 21, तो आपको आपने अगर 20 का स्पेलिंग लर्न किया है तो आप 29 तक इजीली लिख सकते हो. देन कम्स 30 की स्पेलिंग लर्न कर लिया तो 39 तक आप लिख सकते हो. ओके, वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, डेट इज 32. 30 हमने अभी स्पेलिंग लर्न किया, एंड 2 विच इज ऑलरेडी यू नो. ओके, तो आप 39 तक यू कैन इजीली राइट. देन कम्स 40. अभी आपने 40 की स्पेलिंग लर्न किया तो आप 49 तक लिख सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 41, सेम आएगा 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Okay, then you have to learn the spelling of 50. Okay, so आपको कहाँ से कहाँ तक लर्न करना है? First you have to learn the number names of 1 to 20, then 30, 40 and 50. Okay, like this way learn and revise the 2 chapters for your exams. Thank you.